We are going to be looking at different strategies or different ways we can use to find a missing adding. And when I say missing adding, it simply means finding the missing number. Now, so when we look at the sounds we have on the board or the number sentences, you realize that this is addition, and that is take away. Very good. Now, we have different ways of finding the missing adding depending on the addition or take away side. Okay? All right. So let's try and find out how we can find the missing adding for the first one. Now, we can make a story problem out of this, and we could say that we are thinking of a number. We do not know that number. But when we add 5 to that number, our answer becomes 9. Now, how do we find our answer? First, what you need to think of is whether to count on or to count back. Now, because this is addition, you are going to count on from 5 to 9. So how do you do this? You put the number 5 in your head, and then you count on to the number 9 to get your answer. So let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is 4. Very good. And remember that you are actually writing the answer that you got on your fingers. Our answer is 8. So we come on to 2. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, put 8 in your head and count on to 2. No, you're counting on, you're adding 2. So 8, 8. So your answer is 10 here. And then use the same method to do this one.
As I said, we want it to be interesting for children. We want children to love it. We want to stamp out all misconceptions for children. Place value is key. When children understand place value, it tends to stamp out a lot of misconceptions for them later when they get to year 3, 4, 5, 6, before secondary school. You realize that if children's mathematical background, their mental ability is not strong, by the time they get to secondary, they struggle. And what we do in our schools, we always do fact of the day. So every day a fact is given. And for example, I'm going to give you a fact. 25 times 4 equals 100. And my turn, you don't talk. Your turn, you can't speak. So when I say 25 times 4 equals 100, children memorize this and it stays in their head. And every day we give them.
My name is Miss Jane Comey. I'm the year 1 teacher. And the lesson you just saw is our math lesson. And it's on finding missing numbers. Now we are actually teaching the children how to be able to use different strategies when they work math. Now these strategies include working mentally, using number lines, in actual fact using tangible resources to be able to find the missing numbers. Now this is also done because we believe that we're looking at the bigger picture where when children are at the higher class. So basically this is what happens in year 1 during our math sessions.